Shocking power of castor oil for women over 50. If you're searching for a natural remedy that tackles everything from belly bloat to hair growth, joint pain, and even skin conditions, you're in for a treat today. Yep, we're talking about the one and only castor oil. So stick around, because I'll break down how this magical oil can transform your health and wellness. Welcome to PremiumHealthHarbor, the world of natural health and wellness. Let's dive into the video now. Castor oil is a thick, pale yellow oil extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, Ricinus communis. It's been around for centuries, used by ancient Egyptians for beauty and healing. Packed with a fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, it's no wonder this oil is considered a natural powerhouse. Ancient texts from Ayurveda and Egyptian medicine show how castor oil was used for everything from treating wounds to promoting digestive health. But what makes castor oil a game changer? Well, it's loaded with nutrients like vitamin E, omega-6 fatty acids, and, you guessed it, ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that gives castor oil its therapeutic punch. These ingredients give it anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and moisturizing properties. A study from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology even confirmed its effectiveness in reducing inflammation and improving skin conditions. Let's dive deeper into how castor oil can work wonders for digestive health, especially if you're battling belly bloat. Ever feel like your belly is a balloon? Well, belly bloat can occur due to trapped gas, constipation, or even sluggish digestion. Castor oil acts as a natural stimulant laxative because of its high ricinoleic acid content. This compound helps increase intestinal movement, which eases constipation and reduces bloating. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology demonstrated that castor oil stimulates the smooth muscles of the intestine, promoting bowel movements. Participants who used castor oil showed a significant improvement in symptoms of constipation compared to those who didn't. For belly bloat, warm up a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it onto your abdomen in circular motions. Doing this stimulates the lymphatic system and aids in the removal of excess fluids and toxins, which can contribute to bloating. Alternatively, consult a healthcare provider for safe oral use if needed. Pro tip: pair this massage with a warm compress for even better results. Next, number 2, joint pain and arthritis. Got achy joints? Well, joint pain and stiffness can disrupt daily life, whether it's due to arthritis or overuse. Here's where castor oil shines. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties come from ricinoleic acid, which works to reduce swelling, improve circulation, and ease pain. A study in Phytotherapy Research, 2015, examined the impact of castor oil on patients with osteoarthritis. It showed that applying castor oil packs daily over affected joints significantly improved mobility and reduced pain. To treat joint pain, soak a clean cloth in castor oil, wrap it around the affected area, cover it with plastic wrap, and place a heating pad on top for 30 minutes. This allows the heat to enhance the oil's absorption and its pain-relieving effects. Think of this process as giving your joints a cozy, healing hug. Up next, number 3, Menopause Relief. For my ladies going through menopause, castor oil can be your best friend. Menopause brings a variety of symptoms: hot flashes, mood swings, and hormonal imbalances. Castor oil can be an excellent ally during this phase. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil is known to support hormonal balance by promoting detoxification and improving circulation, which are essential for managing menopause symptoms. A review in Menopause Review, 2017, highlighted how natural remedies like castor oil can complement traditional treatments for managing menopausal discomforts. Apply a few drops of castor oil, possibly mixed with a calming essential oil like lavender, and massage it onto your abdomen. This not only helps with hormone balance, but also reduces tension and promotes relaxation. Next, number 4, hair growth and scalp health. Want luscious locks? But hair health is a common concern, from thinning strands to breakage and scalp issues like dandruff. Castor oil's rich nutrients, vitamin E, fatty acids, and proteins make it a natural solution for strengthening hair and nourishing the scalp. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science, 2019, found that castor oil enhances hair texture, reduces breakage, and stimulates hair growth. It also combats dryness and flakiness on the scalp, ensuring a healthy environment for hair to thrive. Mix castor oil with a lighter oil like coconut or argan oil to improve absorption. Massage the mixture into your scalp, focusing on areas where hair is thinning. Leave it overnight and rinse it out in the morning. With consistent use, you'll notice stronger, shinier locks. Moving on to number 5. Skincare. Who doesn't want radiant, youthful skin? Castor oil is a hidden gem in skincare, offering deep hydration and reducing the appearance of fine lines. A 2020 study in Dermatology Research and Practice showed that castor oil improves skin elasticity and soothes inflammatory conditions like eczema and acne. Its antibacterial properties also help reduce acne-causing bacteria. Apply a tiny amount of castor oil to clean skin as a moisturizer, or mix it with aloe vera for a soothing mask. Focus on areas prone to dryness or wrinkles, like under the eyes and around the mouth. Next, number 6. Better sleep. Struggling to fall asleep? Castor oil packs can be a game changer. They help reduce stress by improving circulation and promoting lymphatic drainage. The Journal of Naturopathic Medicine, 2015, reported that individuals using castor oil packs experienced reduced stress levels and better sleep quality. Soak a cloth in castor oil, place it over your abdomen, and cover it with a heating pad. Lie down, relax, and let the warmth do its magic. At last, number 7. Eye health. Dealing with eye floaters? Well, eye floaters and dryness can be a nuisance. While clinical evidence is limited, anecdotal accounts suggest that castor oil may help dissolve floaters and lubricate the eye area. Dip a clean cotton swab into pure castor oil and gently apply it around the eyes, avoiding direct contact with the eyes. This can help with hydration and relaxation. So, there you have it. An in-depth look at the incredible benefits of castor oil for belly bloat, joint pain, hair growth, and so much more. Isn't it amazing how one natural remedy can offer such a wide range of benefits? Try it out, and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And remember, always do a patch test to check for allergies. Pregnant women and individuals with sensitive skin should consult a healthcare professional before using castor oil. If you found this video helpful, please don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. They might find it just as beneficial. And if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community here at PremiumHealthHarbor. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us bring more valuable, health-focused content straight to you. Don't forget to like this video and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and take care.